Hey guys, this is Josh from ViewSonic here at EduTECH 2019 here in Sydney, Australia. And today I'm going to show you the myViewBoard for Windows ecosystem. So as you can see on my phone here, I've got our companion app. It has a QR code reader. I can use that to log into the panel. And once I do that, you're going to see that my cloud drives are populating here. So that includes Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and they're all in here. In addition to that, I have a Zoom integration, so if I want to run a video call or a Zoom meeting call, I can run that there too. So now that my cloud drive's integrated, I'll show you what I can do. With my Google Drive integration, all of my files are populated in here. So let's say I had a lesson that I had ready or a presentation that I had ready, I can drag and drop straight into the canvas, like so. And that's going to download the file and drop it straight in. Okay? This works with PowerPoint presentations if you have Windows or Office 365. It works with PDF files, JPEG, PNG, any of these files can be dropped into the canvas and they all work just fine. When you're done with that, you can go to the save folder here and save it straight back to the cloud or save it onto your local storage as well. Okay? So what we're trying to encourage teachers to do is to make a lesson, make it into one file, a .ViewBoard file, and save and export that back to the cloud so they can reuse it and send it to their students. One of the newer features that we've integrated is this AI pen tool, which you can see here. And this is a machine learning tool. And what it's going to do is spit out back to me what it thinks I'm drawing so I can do it quicker. And if you're a terrible drawer like me, it's going to be great. So I'm going to draw the best snail I can right here. And it's going to pull for me from Google Images snails in these flat images. And if I hold down on this image, it'll take me straight to Google Images. And from there, I can drag and drop into the canvas. So even if you're the best drawer in the world, you can always pull something out. For more information on any of these products, please go to education.viewsonic.com or viewsonic.com or myviewboard.com. Thanks guys, have a good event.